Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta channel. In this video, we will talk about USSR full form. In USSR full form or abbreviations, we have number of forms, but one is mainly or largely used full form on which we will talk about much. Beside that, we will look into all full forms of USSR. Let's start with first, which is mainly used. It is Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, which was founded in 1922. In the USSR, we have 15 countries. First is Armenia, Azerbaijan, sorry, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Estonia, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Latvia, Lithuania, Moldova, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Ukraine, and Uzbekistan. The other forum of USSR is 19, which is first name is Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Uninterrupted, silent, sustained silent reading. Third one is ultra simple skirmish rule. Fourth one is United States smoking repression. Fifth one is similar to second. Sixth is under sorrowful supervision relationship. Seventh one is underground society of secret rhythm. Eighth one is also similar to one. Ninth one is United Soviet Socialist Republican. Tenth is also similar to one. Maybe some list of uh, forums is copied multiple times. 11th one is also copy of 7. Let's start with 14. United Stitching and Swing Ring. United Shuffles Smashing Right. Ukrainian Soviet Socialist Republic. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Some of names are repeated due to some copying error, so you can make it correct at your end, and hoping you are getting your point which you are looking for this video. USSR full form, and you have all full form of USSR. Now moving next, about code meta channel. What code meta or over channel give you? It will give you web development tutorials like PHP, React, Mongo, Native, GraphSQL, and many more. Second one is full forum or GK question answers, which is important for you for practical exam or any competition exam. Third is news, which is also important. You must also know about some important knowledgeable news, so time to time we will provide you those news which is important for you, with news related to any topic, not for specific. Answer of your asked questions which you will ask in comment box in this video or over upcoming videos. Next one is kid video or tips, where we will provide you different tips for your kid education, so your children will learn best from others. If if you are liking this video, or you have any question, you can subscribe the Code Meta and ask any questions. Just click on red buttons where you will get subscribe name. If you have any question, you can write us in comment box or mail us. Thank you. See you in next video. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to channel for this video and engage me for more videos. Goodbye. See you in next video.